Hello
An
and welcome
email
to
has
Scholarship
been
Hype.
sent to your
In this video,
Gmail
I will
with
practically show
instructions
you to
how
fill
to
the online
activate your
application
account.
of Open Doors Russian Scholarship. In part
To
1 of
confirm
this
your
video, I
registration,
have discussed
follow
the
this link
details of the scholarship, and this is the part 2.
and
To
then
fill
go
the
to the
application
profile page.
form, first you have to sign up.
Click Participate. Choose your language. Then citizenship. Write your personal information. Write your first name, last name, date of birth, gender, phone number, email. Set your password and then rewrite your password for confirmation. Select your subjects in which you want to apply for. Tick these boxes and then do. An email has been sent to your Gmail with instructions how to activate your account. To confirm your registration, follow this link and then go to the profile page. After login, your application is opened. Add your education. Write your academic degree, country, write full name of academic institution, select the year in which you passed graduation, and then select either you have been taught in English or not. Then upload your supporting documents or transcripts there. Click Save. Similarly, you can add master's education if you are applying for doctoral program. After adding the education, choose the Russian universities in which you want to take admission in order of your priority. I'm selecting them and adding them randomly, but you will add and you should add in order of your priority. You can only choose from 1 to 6 universities, organizing the open doors for admission in order of your priority. After adding the universities, go to fill in the portfolio. Upload your achievements there. Achievements are of two types. One is common block and the other is subject area achievement. In common block, first is motivation letter. Write your research interests, personal goals, professional achievements, reasons for choosing a specific Olympiad object, and last but not the least, reasons for studying in Russia. After finishing the motivation letter, save it. Secondly, you will add academic transcript or academic record book or any diploma supplement. Write your academic institution and your country, and then upload the academic documents. Save it. Russian language proficiency. Select yes or no if you understand and speak Russian language accordingly. Then save. English language proficiency. Again, select yes or no. In either case, Russian language proficiency or English language proficiency, if you select yes, then you have to select level of proficiency. Beginner, elementary, pre-intermediate, intermediate, upper intermediate, advanced, and proficiency. These words indicate that how much you can understand and speak a particular language. Then drop our language proficiency certificate here. This scholarship does not require English language proficiency certificate like IELTS, but you will make English proficiency certificate from your institute or your university. Then save it. Then comes to subject area achievement. You will add them separately. For example, this first. Articles published in journals included in the Web of Science, Scopus, International Abstract Databases. Write the title of your research article, author names, journal in which it is published, year of publication, quarter, DOI number, journal article or its website link, and then upload your research article. It must be in JPG or PDF format. Click Save. It will be saved and appear there. Similarly, you can add further achievements. I'm selecting one more to show you. For example, this, the participation in projects. Write your project name, its description and the participant's role in it, its year of implementation. And if there is any website link, then do mention there, and then upload this in PDF or JPG format. Save it. It has also came there. You can add more similarly. Online study courses related to the subject area. Write the title of the online study course, its website link, and the year in which you did this course. Then upload this in PDF or JPG format. save this also. Then go back to the account page. When the submit button will be appeared in November, then you will be able to submit your application. The documents and all the information you provided will be remained safe. This is the online application procedure of Open Doors Russian Scholarship Project. If you have any questions, comment us below in the comment section. If you like the video, like it and share in your circles. Keep watching Scholarship Hype. Thank you so much for watching.